Retirement is a golden chapter of life, but it requires proper planning. With LIC's new Pension Plus, plan number 867, you can create a retirement corpus that guarantees you peace of mind and financial security. This is a non-participating, unit-linked individual pension plan launched on 5th September 2022. It helps you systematically build your savings, which can be converted into regular income post-retirement. This plan comes with two premium payment options, single premium and regular premium. The minimum premium starts at 1 lakh rupees for a single premium policy and 30,000 rupees annually for a regular premium policy. There is no maximum limit on the premium, allowing flexibility based on your investment capacity. The plan is available for individuals between the ages of 25 and 75 years. The policy term ranges from 10 to 42 years, giving you the freedom to choose a duration that suits your financial goals. Vesting age, or the age at which you start receiving pension benefits, can be anywhere between 35 and 85 years. This flexibility makes the plan suitable for a wide range of retirement and financial planning needs. Your premiums can be invested in one of 4 fund types, depending on your risk appetite and financial goals. Whether you're looking for steady returns or long-term growth, there's a fund for you. And remember, you can switch funds up to 4 times per year without any charges. Here's where the magic of guaranteed additions comes in. Depending on the policy year, guaranteed additions ranging from 1.25% to 15.5% will be credited to your unit fund. Let's take a look at the benefits. On vesting, when the policy matures, you'll receive the unit fund value. You can choose to commute up to 60% of the proceeds as a lump sum and use the rest to buy an immediate or deferred annuity. On death, before vesting, the nominee will receive the higher of the unit fund value, or 105% of the total premiums paid, adjusted for any partial withdrawals in the last 2 years. LIC's new Pension Plus has optimized charges to ensure you get maximum returns. Key charges: premium allocation charges, up to 7% in the first year, reducing to 3% from the 6th year onwards. Regular premium. Single premium, 3.3%. Fund management charge, 1.35% per year for active funds. Switching charges. First 4 switches in a year are free. After that, 100 rupee per switch. Partial withdrawal charge, 100 rupee per withdrawal. After the 5-year lock-in period, you can withdraw funds up to 3 times during the policy term for important needs such as higher education, marriage, buying a house, or critical illness treatment. LIC's new Pension Plus offers smart tax optimization. You can commute up to 60% of the vesting amount as a tax-free lump sum under Section 10(a). The remaining amount will be used to buy an annuity. The pension you receive from the annuity will be taxed as per the new income tax slabs for 2025, but with significant benefits. 1. Standard deduction. A standard deduction of 50,000 rupees applies to all annuity income. 2. Marginal tax rebate. Under the revised tax regime, if your taxable annual income is up to 12.75 lakh rupees, you can benefit from a complete tax rebate. For example, if you receive an annual annuity income of 12 lakhs rupees, After applying the standard deduction of 50,000 rupees, your effective taxable income is 11,50,000 rupees. Since this falls under the 12.75 lakh rupees limit, you won't have to pay any tax due to the rebate under Section 115B AC 1A. With effective use of the tax-free commutation and rebates, LIC's new Pension Plus ensures retirees maximize their post-retirement income while minimizing tax liabilities. Let's take an example. Mr. Sharma, aged 40, invests 50,000 rupees annually in LIC's new Pension Plus. After 20 years, his investment grows significantly thanks to guaranteed additions and market-linked returns. He opts for an annuity to secure a steady income during retirement. LIC's new Pension Plus is more than just a savings plan, it's your pathway to a secure, worry-free retirement. With guaranteed additions, flexible fund options, and tax benefits, this plan ensures that your retirement dreams are within reach. Thank you for watching this video on LIC's new Pension Plus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Insurance Fund app. For customized plan quotes, download the Smart All-in-One Calculator app using the link in the description below.